Okay, this is a new topic and it's important to keep them straight. What we were just looking at is the force on. Is that mine?
I don't know. It wasn't mine.
Okay, the force on a moving charge or the force on a current due to an existing magnetic field. But electricity and magnetism are intimately related, which is why you might have heard of electromagnetism. And it is also true that a current makes a magnetic field. So this is different, and you need to keep them straight. This is the field that is produced by a current. So the field that is produced by a current is B equals mu naught I over 2 pi r. And we're only looking at the field that's produced by a current carrying wire that has a particular radius. When you take
a circle.
Yeah, and it's in a circle. When you take other physicses, you'll learn more about where this comes from, and different sorts of distributions and things like that. So you might have noticed that I introduced a new symbol in there that we have not seen before, and that is the mu naught. And so it is exactly, now this is exactly, so that means it's not an experimentally measured constant. It's defined to be this way. It's 4 pi times 10 to the minus 7 Teslas times meters over amps. Yeah, it's right there. So we have permeability is the measure of the ability of a material to support the formation of a magnetic field within itself. And we have the magnetic constant that we just looked at, the permeability of free space. The permeability of free space, 4 pi times 10 to the 7th. And then here it's given in different units. So we have henries. You'll learn about henries later. But the same value. Now the reason that it's, people often ask when you first start learning about electricity, it's like, okay, you learn an amp, and it's like, well, what is an amp? And you say, well, an amp is a coulomb per second. Well, what's a coulomb? Where does that come from? And it's all based back on this. And so the coulomb and the amp are based on this, and those are the things that you measure experimentally, and this is given to be defined this way. So it's all based on mu naught.